Hi, this is me, CodeToon. We will create together a simple catching game using Scratch in 6 easy steps. Let's start. Step 1. Setting up the stage. First, we will open Scratch. If Scratch is not installed on your computer, check the description box below on how to install it. Hooray! Scratch is now open. I'll explain the interface later on, because in this video, we'll focus more on the stage preparation. Now, we need to delete this cat sprite. It's there by default when we create a new project. To delete our cat, we have to go to the lower right corner, where the sprite's pane, and then we will click on the cat sprite, then on the trash bin icon over the cat sprite. And here is the exciting part. We will choose the backdrop of our stage. To add a backdrop to our stage, go to the stage pane. You will find it in the lower right corner and click on the backdrop icon. Yay! Now the backdrop window is open. We have many designs to choose from. But wait a second, what is a backdrop? The backdrop is the background on our stage. It's the location or the place where the events will take place, whether it's a game or a story. Write in the comments below which backdrop you will choose. As for me, I will choose this blue sky green field backdrop. Woohoo! Now we have our stage ready! You took your first step in coding. Congratulations! Now we can proudly say that step 1 is done. Let's go to step 2, adding sprites. Don't miss the fun to learn with CodeToon and subscribe now.